के पी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम सवाल हल करने जा रहे हैं न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड के ऊपर। कुछ क्वेश्चन है, उसको हल करेंगे। 177 क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? एलिन ऑन रिएक्शन में डाइल्यूट H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड गिव्स ऑप्शन बी कीटोन, इथेनॉल, इथेनोइक एसिड, इथेन, प्रोपेनल। इसका ऑप्शन होगा CH3CO CH3 एसीटोन। इन द रिएक्शन Br MgCH2 का होल 5 MgBr plus CH3 CO2 C2H5 प्रोडक्ट COH CH3। 179 ethanol and reaction with bromine in aqueous solution gives ethanol CH3CHO. What type of 180 question? What type of reaction take place upon treatment of ketone with HCN to form a cyanohydrin? Nucleophilic addition reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction. Option A. 181 is reaction of acetone with selenium dioxide form 2-oxopropanol. 182. Which one of the following compounds will give the iodoform test? C6H5 CH COH CH3 iodoform. Using 183. Using eurotropine, which of the following compound gives benzaldehyde? Benzyl chloride. Using eurotropine forms benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Somerset reaction. Formaldehyde and concentration react to form hexamethylene tetramine, which is called hexamine or euratropium. It is used in medicine in rheumatism and urinary disease. 184. What is the product P of the reaction? C. 185. Which of the following can be used to distinguish between acetophenone and benzophenone? Iodine. Test iodine plus base. Because iodine methyl ketone are oxidized by iodine and base to give yellow precipitation of iodoform. Acetophenone being a methyl ketone respond to this test, but benzophenone does not. 186. Phenyl magnesium bromide react with acetaldehyde to form an addition product which undergoes acid hydrolysis to give. इसमें मेथिल फेनिल कार्बिनोल हो जाएगा। 187. प्रोडक्ट obtained by the reaction is 2-phenyl 2-hexanol. 188. The main product of reaction between CH3 CH double bond CH3 double bond O CH3 and CH3 MgBr followed by the addition of H3O plus will be option A. 189 question. CH3 C double O CH2 C double O CO2 CH2 O C2H25 A H2 plus H plus A, acetone. The A and B will be CH2 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OH. In the presence of heat form B plus CO2 CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OH plus C2H5 OH. इसमें हो जाएगा AA H2H plus acetone. In the reaction the product P is CH3 C double bond O plus cyclopentane ETOH OET. इसका हो जाएगा C ऑप्शन। 191 प्राइमरी अल्कोहल कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स? इसमें ऑल ऑफ एबव RMGX तीनों सही है। द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन 192 द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन A in the reaction sequence CH3Cl in the presence of CH3 MgBr 2 mole H3O plus A conc H2SO4 B the product A and B are option number B हो जाएगा। The reaction CH2 double bond CH3 double OH in the presence of HBr gives product is an example of nucleophilic addition. In the multi-step reaction RC double O plus RMGX is Y formed Y H2O के साथ YZ जिसके साथ ऑक्सीडेशन करने के बाद एल्डिहाइड R1 and R2 will be respectively CH3, CH and H. Which one of the following compound will form a hydrocarbon on reaction with Grignard reagent? CH3, CH2OH. In the reaction C2H5 MgI, CH2, CH2O form X on a H2O. Y product Y is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. 198 question कर रहा है aldehyde and ketones react with alpha bromo ester and zinc to yield beta hydroxyl ester by using metallic zinc and acid का work up. Here the inert solvent like diethyl ether or tetrahydrofuran is used as a solvent for the reaction. 199 question कर रहा है when natural DI is treated with HCN and the product obtained is hydrolyzed, the compound formed is lactic acid. 200 number CH3 MgBr will produce primary alcohol on reaction with ethylene oxide. 1 to 201 CH2 CH2O C2H5 MgBr H2O form product A is CH2 C2H5 CH2 CH2OH. 202 compound A C4H8Cl2 is hydrolyzed to compound B C4H8O which gives an oxime and a negative tolerant test. The compound A is CH3CCl2 CH2 CH2. 203 which one of the following compound is formed when Grignard reagent reacts with a ketone and the product formed is decomposed by an acid tertiary alcohol. Yes, additive product which are hydrolysis give a tertiary alcohol. 204 Strecker reaction is used for synthesis of B amino acid. Strecker synthesis amino acid from aldehyde and ketone used in method to produce alumina from acetaldehyde, ammonia and hydrogen cyanide. 205 N propyl magnesium bromide and treatment with carbon dioxide and further hydrolysis gives butanoic acid. 206 The reaction of isopropyl magnesium iodide with ethylene oxide gives 3-methyl butanol. 207 क्वेश्चन है बेंजीन COO and the presence of HCN A the compound A is A वाला होगा and 200 anorganic compound A which undergo haloform reaction give compound B on reduction with NaBH4B on heating with sulfuric acid forms compound C which forms monoozonide D on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust give only acetaldehyde. The compound A is C methyl acyl ketone. 209 Na-alkyl bromide A forms Grignard reagent which on treatment with water yields NHN with sodium form 4,5 diethyl octane A is CH3 CH2 का whole twice CHBr CH2 CH3. In the reaction the product X is D वाला हुआ 211 When Grignard reagent RMGS react with a ketone as ketone form a tertiary alcohol. The reaction CH3CH3COO plus HCN formed CH3CH3COHCN is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. 213 Mixture of C2H5 and CH3CHO can be separated by using NaHSO3. Give an addition reaction. This is a reversible reaction. 214 When cellulose boiled with dilute H2SO4 final product is glucose. 215 Silver salt method is used for determining its molecular weights of an organic compound acids. Electrolysis of concentrated solution of sodium propanol produces a hydrocarbon. 216 question. Butane. Kolbe electrolytic method alkenes are formed when saturated monocarboxylic acid are electrolyzed in concentrated aqueous solution of potassium or sodium with the treatment of an ester with LiLH4 by acid hydrolysis produces 2 alcohol. 218. When propanic acid is treated with aqueous sodium bicarbonate CO2 liberated, the CO2 comes from carboxylic acid. 2019. Acetylene is obtained by the electrolysis of sodium fumarate. The major product and dehydration of CH3 का whole twice C double bond CH3. Electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic compound ARSE. 221. For the electrophilic substitution in benzene, identify the group which is deactivating both ortho and para directing Cl. 222. Which one of the following compounds will be the most reactive toward electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene? Toluene. 223. The product formed when phenol reacts with bromine water in the presence of CH2 is orthobromophenols and epibromophenols. 224. Which one of the following groups makes the benzene ring more active for electrophilic substitution reaction? OH. The chloro and nitro group are deactivating group because they make the aromatic ring less reactive. 225. Among the following compounds, the one that is most reactive towards electrophilic nitration is toluene because it present reduces electron density and the activity of benzene to nucleus toward electrophile. Then the order of the given compound toward electrophilic nitration is electron. 226. The major product A formed in the following reaction is A. In the following reaction, benzene plus CH3 का whole thrice CCOCl Al3 formed P. CCH3 का whole twice. 228. Benzene HNO3 plus H2SO4 form NO2 plus H2O. In the above reaction is nitrating. In the nitrating mixture, HNO3 acts as a base. 229. Naphthalene on oxidation with chromium trioxide and acetic acid gives to form 1,4-naphthoquinone or para-naphthoquinone. 230. Which positions are very reactive in phenanthrene C9 and C10 because it has a greater resonance stability due to the carbocation displays. It has 5 resonating structure as well as about 284 kilojoule per mole resonance energy. 231. Indicate the product P in the following. नैप्थलीन को अगर सोडियम के साथ एथेनॉल के साथ किया जाए 1,4 डाईहाइड्रोडाइलिन बनता है। ए ऑप्शन सही होगा। 232. इन द 3 हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स फॉर एग्जांपल फ्यूरान पाइरोल एंड थायोपीन द ऑर्डर ऑफ एरोमेटिसिटी थायोपीन is greater than pyrrole is greater than furan. Higher the pyrrole, it has more resonance energy than pyrrole and furan. Aromatic character of thiopene is higher because aromatic properties of electronegativity of pyrrole and furan are similar. Nitrogen are more electronegative and oxygen compared to nitrogen. The negative pair of the electrons are more easily represented on the 5 centimeter in furan than the furan on the oxygen atom. 233. On treatment with bromine water salicylic acid gives 246 tribromophenol. 234. Which of the following are aromatic conditions? C. Only first, second and third. In the reaction, benzene को NH2 CO anthracite plus HNO2 in the presence of heat give biphenylene. 236. The principal product in the following reaction is para is preferred due to the some steric content at ortho position. Plus same effect due to the lone pair of electron of the oxygen atom since the ring is more reactive for electrophilic substitution, so bromination will occur and on ring second of the compound. 237. Which one of the following is the major product of the bromination of nitrobenzene sulfonic acid? NO2SO3 Br2Fe gives B. In the following reaction, the substrate X is X plus CHCl3 chloroform in the presence of alcoholic KOH RN double bond C, aniline. 239 Friedel-Crafts reaction is not given by which one of the following compound? B. NO2. Because the nitro group and this group repel the electrophile pramid, hence the nitrobenzene will not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction easily. 240 question. Toluene reacts with bromine in the presence of UV light to bromide or bromine benzyl bromide. 241 Which one of the following will release ammonia on hydrolysis? Benzamide. 242 Benzoic acid are reacting with lithium aluminum hydride give benzyl alcohol. 243 Chlorination of benzene under photochemical condition take place by free radical mechanism. Which one of the following? 244 Which one of the following molecule is the reactive towards electrophilic substitute aromatic substitution? Nitrobenzene. While amino hydroxyl and methyl group are electron releasing group, they increase the electron density and the benzene group. Hence, phenol and toluene are more reactive toward electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction than nitrobenzene. 245 A Prabhu. By nitration of benzoic acid gives following major product: M nitrobenzone, beta nitrobenzoic acid.